Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on Metatrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Metatrader application on your device. Once the application is opened up, you might be asked to log in to your account. So just go ahead and log in using your user ID and your password and click on the OK button. Once you are logged in, you will be able to buy various assets from the Navigator tab. Once you explore for various assets that you can buy, you can simply click on any asset that you are interested on and then click on the buy button to buy this asset. You can also rent these assets if you don't wish to buy them for right now. In order to sell, you can simply go back to these assets or the assets that you own by clicking on libraries. From there you can simply tap on these assets and you will find the sell option if you already own it. By clicking on it, you will be able to sell your assets that you already own. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy and sell assets on Metatrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.